Hello children, welcome back. I am back again with MCQ type paper from Chemical Reaction class 8. Welcome to my channel Chemistry is Fun. I am Shomita Das. Please like and subscribe if you really like this video for latest updates on many other chapters and many other questions. The first question: which of the following are exothermic processes? Reaction of water with quicklime, dilution of an acid, evaporation of water, sublimation of camphor crystals. The correct answer is A, both first one and the second one. Second, which among the following statement or statements is or are true? Exposure of silver chloride to sunlight for a long duration turns grey due to the formation of silver by decomposition of silver chloride, sublimation of silver chloride, decomposition of chlorine gas from silver chloride, or oxidation of silver chloride. The correct answer is A, that is the first one only. The third question: which of the following is an endothermic process? The first option: dilution of sulfuric acid, sublimation of dry ice, condensation of water vapors, respiration in human beings. So your correct answer is sublimation of dry ice. As you can see in the picture, that is the picture of dry ice. What type of chemical reactions take place when electricity is passed through water? Displacement, combination, decomposition, double displacement. The answer is decomposition. When lead reacts with copper chloride, it produces lead chloride and copper. The above reaction is an example of combination reaction, double displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, and displacement reaction. The answer is displacement reaction. Remember, over here copper used is using the higher valency, so we will call it as cupric chloride. A chemical reaction does not involve formation of new substances having entirely different properties than that of the reactants, breaking of old chemical bonds and formation of new chemical bonds, rearrangement of the atoms of reactants to form new products, and changing of the atoms of an element into those of another element to form new products. The correct answer is D. One of the following processes does not involve a chemical reaction, that is, melting of candle wax when heated, burning of candle wax when heated, digestion of food in our stomach, and ripening of banana. Of course, you all know that is melting of candle wax when it is heated. When ferrous sulfate is heated strongly, it undergoes decomposition to form ferric oxide as a main product accompanied by a change in color. So from the picture, you can make out what is the color of ferric oxide. Yes, it turns from green to brown. The correct answer is C. The neutralization reaction between an acid and a base is a type of double displacement reaction, displacement reaction, addition reaction, or decomposition reaction. The correct answer is double displacement reaction. The 10th one: on immersing an iron nail in copper sulfate solution for a few minutes, you will observe no reaction takes place. The color of solution fades away. The surface of iron nails acquire a black coating. The color of solution changes to green. Of course, the last option is the correct option, that is, the color of the solution changes to green. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more latest updates on many other chapters. Thank you.